Hey, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another Linux app. Today we're gonna teach you on how to install a Linux app right here in macOS, BalenaEtcher, Bootable USB. So anyway, let me show you how to install a Linux app right here in our Unix operating system. Let me open my DuckDuckGo. Let's go to etcher.balena.io. Click right here. If you go down here, you have all the options from Windows to Mac to, of course, Linux. So let's download the DMG right here. Either will do. If you're using the X64 or the ARM64, so just click this one. I'm using an ARM chip, so I'm just gonna click that one, and right now it is downloading right here, or you also can see the indication right here. So let's wait to load everything up. So BalenaEtcher is a bootable application for your USB, and of course I have my USB right here, and of course you can create any media as a bootable ISO file. It is a software which is a operating system. So we already finished this one. Let's click this one. Okay, let's minimize this one first. So we have the BalenaEtcher right here, so we could like drag this icon towards the application, just indicating that this is a Unix operating system in containers. So I have my older version of the BalenaEtcher, and it is existing in my location, so I need to change it into the new version. So I have to replace it. Click by replacing it. Now we have the chime that it has been replaced. Okay, let's close this one. We also have to eject this one and then launch it. Okay, there it is, my BalenaEtcher. Of course, it will ask if this application from the internet, are you sure to open it? And of course, yes, I am. So we have our BalenaEtcher right here, and of course we have our USB prepared. I already transferred and saved this USB so that I could like demonstrate to you how to use this one. Of course, I have the adapter because I'm using the Mac, and of course let's plug it in. Okay, we allow this connection. We need to look for a file, so I have already downloaded the ISO file. I have different ISO file right here. For demonstration, let's use the big Linux. Let's open that one to look for the target, which is I already put it right here, the SanDisk. So I just click that one, and then SanDisk will be as my target. And then let's click flash. Okay, so we need to enter our privilege, the password. And then now it is starting to etch, but at the same time we need to have to allow this one so that it will flash into our flash drive, the ISO big Linux. So it will take like 5 minutes to 10 minutes, so it depends on the speed of your computer. If there's something running, like right now I'm running the OBS for the recording of the screen, so it will affect the application. So let's just wait. I'll just gonna fast forward or skip this video until it's finished. Alright, so it is already finished. The disk is now ready to eject. It's already finished in our BalenaEtcher. So let's try to eject this one. So we could like flash another ISO, but of course I'm already done. So let's just click X, and of course this notification also gonna be closed. So yes, so I have to remove the USB and then return back to the USB connection, and let's see what's inside if it's already finished. So there you have it. That is our bootable USB, which is the big Linux operating system ISO file. So yes, that's about it for our Linux app, BalenaEtcher, right here in macOS. If you have some questions, feel free to ask me. Write it in the comments down below. I am Blair, your science, computer, and mathematics teacher. Bye for now and see you in the next episode. Ciao!